Hi, my name is Tayler Locke. I'm the Beach Programs Manager here at Hilda Bay. So we have quite a few flagship programs. We have our Adopted Beach program, which was self-led by our volunteers. And that one's really cool because just in a calendar year, they go out and do a data collection and beach cleanup event. And that's really awesome because it allows the community to go out and do something that's bolstering their coastal stewardship on their own time and by themselves, very accessible. And then the most common things we find, unfortunately, are cigarette butts. And as you probably already know, lots of plastic, lots of styrofoam. So lots of these artificial kind of packaging and beverage and food materials that are usually over 90% are made using fossil fuels, but they don't biodegrade at the same time. So they just get smaller and smaller and end up on our beaches. Everything needs water to survive, and if your water has contaminants and pollutants, then we're all surviving on that same contaminant. We have to change our sociology around waste, and we have to change the way we think about waste, because it's what are we going to do with all this plastic trash that's not being recycled in our water and in our lands? You want to live amongst that, or do you want to live amongst nature?
My name is Eun Ji Chung, and I'm an Associate Professor of Biomedical Engineering. Broadly, our lab is a biomaterials and nanomedicine research group. And so in graduate school, I developed these biomaterials that are based off of calcium that's in your bone. And those biomaterials ended up being a material that can be used for scaffolds and implants, and those degrade and they're compatible with your body. And I was thinking about, seashells are also hard and stiff, kind of like our bones, right? They clearly have calcium mineral. If I had a biodegradable material that can incorporate those calcium minerals, not from bone, but from seashells, wouldn't this be a degradable, compatible, material that even if it was discarded in the ocean environment, wouldn't be harmful at all? So I started to realize that, calcium carbonate is the mineral that's in seashells. And then I thought about our polymer that I developed during grad school. And so then I mixed those together and then proposed it as an alternative plastic material. Overall, our hope is that we can continue to develop this so that it can actually be commercialized and be utilized. The dream, I guess, would be that it could replace plastics that are going to be around. And so can they be ultimately used as a can holder? Can they ultimately be used as straws, or, kind of replacing a lot of those single-use plastics? I think would be the dream.